Hi everyone, welcome to my Biology Learned YouTube channel. Today I am going to do the lesson 2 of Unit 1, that is Diversity of Living Organisms. The living organisms mainly divided into 5 main groups depend on their structure, their nutritional type and their characteristics. So I am going to write all the 5 groups. So those are bacteria, fungi, prototists, plants, the 5th one is animals. So these are the main groups of living organisms: bacteria, fungi, prototists, plants and animals. Now I am going to talk one by one. First about bacteria. We have to know the structure of bacteria. So I am going to draw the structure of bacteria here. Bacteria has a cell wall made up of murin. Inner to the cell wall, it has a cell membrane. Some bacteria have capsule outer of the cell wall. Most of the bacteria have flagellum for the movement purpose. Bacteria has a circular chromosome of DNA and there are small chromosomes of DNA known as plasmids. In the cytoplasm of the bacteria, ribosomes are there. So now I am going to label the bacterial cellular structure: capsule, cell wall, cell membrane, circular chromosome of DNA, plasmid, flagellum, cytoplasm and ribosome. So cell wall is made up of a substance called murin. The main function of the cell wall: give structure for the cell and protect the cell. So give structure for the cell, give the structure and protection, and also prevent the cell from osmotic bursting. Prevent from osmotic bursting. The function of the flagellum is for the movement of the bacteria. Movement. The function of the ribosome is the protein synthesis. Ribosome is the site where protein synthesis takes place. Only this cellular organelle found in the bacteria. Site of protein synthesis. And the function of the capsule, protect the cell from dehydration, from enzymes, from antibodies, protect the cell from dehydration or enzymes or antibodies. The function of the circular chromosome of DNA, it has gene for protein synthesis. So has genes for protein synthesis. The function of the cell membrane, it is a selectively permeable membrane, so it allows only some substances to pass in and out of the cell. So allow only some substances to pass in and out of the cell. And function of the plasmid is a small circular DNA. It's a small circular DNA. It is needed for genetic engineering purposes. The function of the cytoplasm is the site where the chemical reactions take place. So cytoplasm is the site where chemical reactions takes place. Reactions takes place. So this is all about the structure of bacteria. So the main parts of the bacterial cell is the cell wall, which is the outermost layer of the cell. Inside the cell wall there is a cell membrane. Sometimes outside the cell wall there is a capsule is there. Not all bacteria have capsule. Inner to the cell membrane, cytoplasm, circular chromosome of DNA, plasmid and ribosomes are there. Already I have given the functions here. Bacteria. All bacteria are single cellular structure. So all are single celled. Bacteria are prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotes. Why they are prokaryotes? Because don't have a definite nucleus. Don't have definite nucleus. Don't have membrane bound organelles. Some bacteria are autotrophic organisms because they have chlorophyll pigments to absorb light energy. So some are autotrophic. They have chlorophyll pigments. So don't confuse The bacteria don't have chloroplast, but they have chlorophyll pigments. When we talk about the nutrition of bacteria, the bacteria can be autotrophic. Some are autotrophic, some are parasitic. Most of the bacteria are saprotrophic. These are the nutritional modes of bacteria. What is autotrophic nutrition? They have chlorophyll pigments. Therefore, they absorb light energy to do photosynthesis. Absorb light to do photosynthesis. What is a parasitic nutrition? These type of bacteria survive within a host cell and absorb their nutrition from the host cell. Finally, they damage the host cell, that is causing the disease to the host cell. So they survive within the host cells, survive within the host cells, absorb the nutrition from the host cells, finally damage the host cells. What are saprotrophic nutrition? Most of the bacteria have saprotrophic nutrition. So these secrete extracellular enzymes on the dead organic matters. They do extracellular digestion, finally absorb the digested products to get their nutrition. When we talk about the nutrition of bacteria, there are three main types of nutritions. Autotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, third one is the saprotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? They have chlorophyll pigments. Chlorophyll pigments absorb light energy, do photosynthesis. What is parasitic nutrition? These type of bacteria live within the host cell, absorb the nutrition from the host cell, finally they damage the cell. So these type of bacteria are disease causing bacteria. Example, pneumococcus. What is saprotrophic nutrition? These type of bacteria live on dead organic matters. Live on dead organic matters. Secrete extracellular enzymes. extracellular digestion take place. Finally, they absorb the nutrition after digestion. So these are the three main types of nutrition found in bacteria. Can be some bacteria are autotrophic, some bacteria are parasitic, most of the bacteria are saprotrophic.